Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about monetizations in SEO. Now, SEO, why I personally like it? Because it has three methods of making money, and you can actually stack them up together. You have the active income, the passive income, and also the portfolio income. Now, what do I mean by that? Yeah, for example, when you learn SEO or when you master SEO, you can earn active income by doing training. Like there's a lot of corporates today who pay for training. Now in Malaysia, technical training by HRDF, it is 6,000 ringgit a day. So usually an SEO course would take about 2 to 4 days, depending on the depth of the learning program. So, 1 week you can actually get about 12 to 24,000 ringgit, depending on the number of days of training. So that is one way of getting active income. Now, the second part of active income is actually you can actually do services for SEO. Most of the companies in Malaysia, the SEO agencies will charge on a yearly basis, and most of the time they will take about 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit a month, and they will take it for 1 year upfront. Yeah, so it can be on average about 20 to 30, even 40,000 a year to rank a number of keywords. Yeah, so that is the standard rate today for SEO agencies, especially in our country, Malaysia. Now, active income, obviously, we are trading our time for money, and I believe in the very, very near future, there'll be people, especially corporates, who are getting more awareness in SEO and Google. They will say that, hey, can you do an SEO audit? Yeah, or SEO recovery. Meaning, I believe in the very, very near future, maybe 2 years from now, from this video actually, you will see people doing negative SEO. They will try to derank you. They will try to do black hat to your website to bring down your website. And there are people who will defend. You understand what I'm saying? Will defend these websites by removing all these negative links or negative SEO. And there's also SEO audit, which I believe that in a very near future also, the company will pay you to take a look at your website to identify what is right and what is wrong. So this is, if you can really master SEO in a very professional level, you can probably get all these income by trading time or active income. Now, the second income that I want to talk about is also we call the passive income, or where we do not have to trade our time for money. So what do I mean by passive income? Passive income, you can do affiliate marketing. Now think about it. Once you rank on a website on the first page of Google, you don't actually have to do much more thing. Every day, when you wake up, you get leads, you get sales, simply because when people search for it and they see your website on the first page of Google, they buy through your link, or they buy, or they inquire, you get a lead. And that's where you can get passive income, because customers will come to you rather than you have to go to them. And that's one thing beautiful about Google. And once you rank on the first page of Google, you do not have to do much work, because customers will search and find your websites, and they will click and they will inquire about your product, or they'll purchase from your website. So think about it. Now you can build many, many websites, for lead generation, meaning you can generate leads for other businesses and other companies. You do not have to generate leads just for your business, but you can also do for other companies. And in Malaysia, this is probably one of the most demanded skills today. Go to any businessman, any businessman, and ask them, if I give you a customer, do I get a commission? Can I get a commission? And every single businessman or even businesswoman will say, sure, you give me a customer, I'll give you commission. And that is one of the most powerful skill sets to have today. Now, you do not have to build just one website. You can build multiple sites, and you can do lead generation for local SEO, or even affiliate marketing, for example. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing, it is you sell products, like say, for example, health product. You just find your topic in your niche, and you rank on the website. And when people search for it and they buy through your link, you get paid a commission. Now, on average, you can get paid about $25 to $30 USD, which is good money. Yeah, think about it. So that is local lead generation and affiliate marketing for passive income. Yeah, and not only that, think about it. If you are good at SEO, you can also build websites and you can rank these websites on the first page of Google and rent it to companies. For example, just give you an idea. Let's say you rank for bungalows or properties in Shah Alam, yeah, and you want to rank this website on the first page. And once you do that, you can tell all the property agents in Shah Alam, you say that, hey, I will put your company logo, I will put your company name, I will put your company image, and I'll put your contacts. And all you need to do is just pay me 500 ringgit a month. So then you ask me, would people actually pay for that? Sure. Take a look at on your website. You'll see a lot of people are paying for Google Ads, right? Google Ads. So if you people are paying for Google Ads, you just target these people because the moment they stop paying for Google Ads, your website will be taken away by Google. So if you can offer a much cheaper rate and SEO, you can actually do that because once you have a website, you can probably give the top, page to a premium buyer. You can give maybe the bottom of the link or the inner pages to rank to a second person. So that's very powerful. And I just want to give you an introduction of monetization, but I will go into more detail as we go along in our videos. Is that okay? So that's the second income, which is called passive income. Now, the portfolio income is where you can flip the website just like a normal property, but this is online property, or I would say web properties, right? Now, once you build a website and you rank on the first page, people will come to you and say that, hey, can I buy your website? And most people will buy a website based on 12 to 40 times the value that you're generating in a month. What do I mean by that? For example, yeah, if you're building an affiliate site and you're ranked on the first page and you're making at least about 2000 net profit, yeah, somebody will come to offer you, and I will also share in other videos that where you can actually list your websites. You can actually sell this website on average 20 times of the value that you're making sales or net profit on the monthly income. So if you're making $1,000, you can probably sell this website for $20,000. So then you said, wait a minute, why would people pay so much money? Yeah, sure, because not everybody can rank on the first page of Google. And the ability of you ranking on the first page of Google, it is a highly demanded skill. And think about it, all business investment, they only need to pay about, if let's say 12 times means in 12 months, they don't really get back their money, their revenue. Yeah. They can, on a 13, 14, 15 month, they will get their net profit already. Now, if you ask any businessman if they can get back the ROI within a year as an investment, and after that continues making money, sure, why not? And like I said, right, when you build a portfolio income, when you sell to these people, they also can sell again, and the resale value will just go higher and higher and higher because older websites will demand a more higher value in the market simply because they are more stable, right? So we have the active income, we have the passive income, and then after that, if you can build a lot of websites, yeah, you can also flip them, buy, rent, sell, just like a monopoly game, and build your portfolio income. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.